Hi everyone, this is Doug Brennicky. In this installment, let's talk a little bit about appraisal reviews. Now, in a previous installment, we talked a little bit about how appraisers go out and inspect the property and how they try to gather data to help support what they think is a valid opinion of value in today's marketplace. They present that appraisal report back to the lender, and the lender will typically do some internal cross-checking from data sources that they have. And let's maybe use Zillow as an example, because it's something that many borrowers would have maybe used themselves to ascertain roughly what values are. From the data sources that they review, if the appraised value that comes in from the appraiser's inspection and the work that they've done differs too much from what the computerized data collection sources revealed to them, they're going to want to get another opinion of value from a different appraiser, somebody that we call a review appraiser. They typically are going to be provided the appraisal report that the original appraiser did and go out there and determine, first of all, the accuracy of some of the data, which hopefully shouldn't be into question if we have a good licensed appraiser that did the initial report. But beyond that, to have the review appraiser go out and make sure that the original appraiser found as much valid, strong data as they could, that they didn't deliberately ignore maybe something that was negative regarding the appraisal, or that they didn't add in too many other properties that weren't very similar and ended up with a distorted opinion of value. So it's a cross-check for the underwriter and for the loan approval process to make sure that the appraised value that's been provided to them by the original appraisal is pretty valid, and that all the data is pretty complete, and that the best pieces of data were used and considered when they came up with the original appraised value. Now, many times when this occurs, there is an additional charge to the borrower for the review appraisal, and it's something that would trigger what we call a change of circumstance on the loan, and the borrower would be made aware of the additional charge for the appraisal review and the reason for it. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of an idea of what happens behind the scenes in the loan process that all goes towards the underwriter trying to make the best decision that they can regarding the approval of your loan request. So we'll move on to another lesson shortly, and thank you very much.